Hello and welcome to my new video. In my last video, I explained the overview of ServiceNow as a cloud-based platform. In this video, I will demonstrate the overview in context of organizational growth, which includes visibility and visualization, effective integration, automated and frictionless workflow, and continual improvement. So let's begin with visibility and visualization. Visibility gives you a general idea of the status of a product at a specific point in time. Visualization provides full context of the product over time and creates the environment to extrapolate a decision and initiate actions. Visually appealing applications gathers the attention of our user, including heading size, font choices, coloring, button style, spacing, design elements, and photo choices. Monitoring tools can help you get real-time visibility into the performance. Scheduling regular reviews of your software services can help you identify any problems, monitor IT service performance using dashboards and reporting tools, make complex data easier to understand using data visualization techniques, identify areas for improvement using KPIs and other matrices. And ServiceNow plays a crucial role in organizational growth, like improved decision making. ServiceNow provides real-time access to critical data and insights through customizable dashboards and reports. This visibility enables stakeholders at all levels to make informed decisions promptly, leading to more effective resource allocation, risk management, and strategic planning. Then enhanced collaboration. ServiceNow facilitates collaboration among teams by providing a unified platform for communication, documentation, and workflow management. With shared visibility into tasks, projects, and issues, teams can collaborate more effectively, leading to faster problem resolution, improved project outcomes, and overall organizational success. Then real-time dashboard and reports. ServiceNow offers robust reporting and dashboard capabilities that allow organization to visualize data in real time. Users can create customized dashboards and reports tailored to their specific needs, providing insights into key matrices, trends, and performance indicators. This real-time visibility enables stakeholders at all levels to monitor progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions promptly. Then service mapping and dependency visualization. ServiceNow service mapping functionality allows organization to visualize the relationship and dependencies between different IT services and infrastructure components. This visibility helps organizations understand the impact of change or incidents on their services and prioritize accordingly. By having a clear understanding of dependencies, organizations can minimize disruptions and improve service reliability, ultimately contributing to organizational growth. Then effective integration. Integration term defines the connectivity of two or more different features so that data can be communicated well to achieve the desired task. A successful integration management structure must clearly define responsibilities and reporting relationships. Teams of functional specialists should be tasked with integrating core functional areas. They in turn report to a team with overall responsibility for managing the integration. Test and validate your integration can help you identify and resolve any issue before your software services go live. Effective integration could actually enhance the quality of an application, as communication with the third party application is also possible. Planning of what to achieve through the integration and how would it help our goals. Testing the features properly before integrating them so that we reach our desired output effectively. Connect systems and technologies using APIs and other integration techniques, automate and streamline workflows and processes using integration tools, share data accurately across all relevant systems and platforms, monitor and maintain integration. Then cross functional collaboration. ServiceNow integration capabilities enable seamless collaboration between different teams and departments within an organization, whether it's sharing data, coordinating tasks, or aligning strategies. ServiceNow provides a common platform for collaboration, breaking down communication barriers, and fostering teamwork. This cross functional collaboration promotes innovation, knowledge sharing, and driving organizational growth through collective efforts. Then 360 view of operations. By integrating with various systems and data sources, ServiceNow offers a comprehensive view of organizational operations. Users can access relevant information from across the organization in real time, gaining insights into performance trends and opportunities. This 360 view enables stakeholder to make informed decision, identify areas for improvement, and capitalize on emerging trends, thereby accelerating organizational growth. Then improved customer experience. ServiceNow integration capabilities extend beyond internal processes to include external systems and channels such as CRM, software, and self-service portals. By integrating customer-facing systems with ServiceNow, organizations can deliver a seamless and personalized experience to their customers. Whether it's resolving issue faster, providing self-service options, or proactively addressing customer needs, ServiceNow helps organization enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, driving growth through repeat business and referrals. Then data-driven insights. ServiceNow integration capabilities enable organization to harness the power of data for actionable insights and decision making. By integrating disparate data sources and systems, ServiceNow consolidate information into a single source of truth, facilitating data-driven decision making. Whether it's analyzing customer feedback, tracking performance matrices, or predicting market trends, ServiceNow empowers organizations to make strategic decisions that fuel growth and drive competitive advantage. ServiceNow plays a pivotal role in organizational growth by enabling effective integration across systems, processes, and departments. Automated and frictionless workflow. Automation could be done through building design efficient initiative workflows to save valuable time. Achieving a frictionless enterprise allows for a streamlined, perfectly aligned flow of information. Automation of repetitive tasks is one key feature of the quality product. Smoothness of automation and self-service automatically makes service better. Notify customer and IT staff automatically when changes, incidents, or requests are created, updated, or resolved, eliminating the need for manual notification. Then eliminate manual tasks using automation and other tools. Then process automation. ServiceNow offers powerful workflow automation capabilities that enable organization to automate repetitive and manual tasks across various departments such as IT, HR, finance, and customer service. By automating workflows, organization can reduce human error, eliminate time-consuming manual interventions, and accelerate the pace of operations. This efficiency gains more time for employees to focus on higher value tasks, innovation, and strategic initiatives, thus fostering organizational growth. Then standardization and consistency. ServiceNow helps standardizing processes and enforcing consistency across the organization. By defining standardized workflows and procedures within ServiceNow platform, organization can ensure that every task follows predefined rules and best practices. This standardization minimizes deviations, reduce ambiguity, and improves overall operational efficiency, contributing to organizational growth by fostering a culture of excellence and reliability. Then frictionless user experience. ServiceNow offers a user-friendly interface and initiative self-service capabilities that empower employees to request services, report issues, and collaborate with colleagues effortlessly. By providing a frictionless user experience, ServiceNow reduces barriers to productivity, enhance employee satisfaction, and boost engagement. Happy and engaged employees are more motivated to contribute their best efforts, leading to increased productivity and organizational growth. Then risk reduction and compliance. ServiceNow helps organizations migrate risks and ensure compliance by automating and enforcing standardized processes. By incorporating compliance requirements into workflows, organization can reduce the risk of non-compliance with regulations and industry standards. ServiceNow audit trails and reporting capabilities provide transparency and accountability, enabling organization to demonstrate compliance to stakeholders and regulatory authorities. This risk reduction fosters a stable operating environment as it minimizes the likelihood of costly disruption or penalties. And you can say that it increase the uh, growth of organization. Then continual improvement. Providing a community forum where user customer can provide feedback and suggestion for improvements. Gathering and analyzing customer feedback can help you understand how well you are meeting the needs, goals, and objective of of your users. Fostering a culture of continuous improvement within the organization by implementing a structured approach to identifying, planning, and implementing improvements. A good quality application gets improved, upgraded, and up to date. ServiceNow plays a significant role in supporting organizational growth by facilitating continual improvement across various aspects of business, like root cause analysis. ServiceNow incident and problem management modules provide a structured approach to identifying, investigating, and resolving issues. By conducting root cause analysis for incidents and problems, organizations can identify underlying systematic issues and implement corrective actions to prevent recurrence. This proactive approach reduces service disruptions, enhances customer satisfaction, and fosters a culture of continual improvement. Then change control and risk management. ServiceNow change management capabilities help organizations manage changes to their IT infrastructure and services in a controlled manner. By standardizing change processes and providing visibility into change activities, ServiceNow reduces the risk of unplanned outage and service disruptions. Continuous monitoring and evaluation of change performance enable organization to refine change process and migrate risks, driving operational excellence and organizational growth. The knowledge sharing and management. ServiceNow knowledge management capabilities facilitate the creation, organization, and sharing of knowledge across the organization. By capturing and documenting best practices, solutions, and lesson learned, ServiceNow enables team to leverage collective expertise and avoid reinventing the wheel. Continuous updating and refinement of knowledge articles empower employees to make informed decisions, solve problems more effectively, and drive continual improvement in the service delivery and operations. Then continuous improvement matrices. ServiceNow performance analytic capabilities provide organization with actionable insights into key performance indicators and matrices across various aspects of the businesses. By analyzing data from ServiceNow and other integrated systems, organizations can identify performance trends, benchmark against industry standards, and prioritize improvement initiatives. Continuous monitoring and measurement of performance measures enable organization to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and drive continual improvement in service delivery, operational efficiency, and organizational growth. ServiceNow serves as a catalyst for organizational growth by enabling continual improvement across processes, problem management, change control, SLA compliance, knowledge management, and performance analytics. ServiceNow helps organization drive innovation, efficiency, and competitiveness, ultimately achieving sustainable growth and success. So that's all for this session. In my next video, I will explain the overview of ServiceNow in context of extensibility and integration. Thank you.